Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about my Louis Vuitton Vintage Trousse collection. I've finally got the trio of all three sizes. I'm so excited, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So if you've watched my videos for a while or you've followed me for a while, you'll know how much of a big fan I am of the old style Louis Vuitton canvas. The vintage versions for me are just so much better quality. They're so much more thicker, they're so much more durable, just everything about them it just doesn't compare to what they're produced today, which I feel like is a lot more thinner, it's a lot more flimsy. So yeah, I rave about the vintage canvas all the time, and that's no difference when it comes to the trousse. Now, the first Louis Vuitton trousse that I ever got was the middle size, and that's the size 23. So it's this one here, and I use this for my daily makeup whenever I'm going anywhere. It fits all of my daily stuff that I need: foundation, mascara, just everything, all of my daily makeup, and it has been put through the ringer like really badly. It's been used so much, and I'm a bit ashamed to even show you the inside because it is quite dirty. It really does need a clean, but it's been used, I can't tell you how much, and just thrown into suitcases, into bags. I've not been kind to this because I know that it can take it, and it's just, there's no sort of wear on the corners or peeling or anything. It's just, yeah, an absolute workhorse. So I really love this. As I said, it was for my makeup, for traveling and things like that. So yeah, this gets used so much, and this is, all of these are from the 80s because they are old vintage styles, and they all have this little elastic sort of bit on the back, and then also a pocket on the other side as well. As I said, this really does need a clean. I think I need to clean the zip a little bit as well. They can get a bit tarnished. Yeah, so this is the first one I ever got, and it's been used the most. I just love it, and it's the perfect size for daily makeup. So again, this is the size 23. So because I loved that so much, I really wanted to get the other two. It was just a matter of finding them. They are obviously a bit difficult to get because they are pre-loved. But next, I really wanted the smaller one because I just think it's so cute and it's great for in your handbags and things. So the next size is the 18. These sizes all relate to the size of them in centimetres, so that's just an easy way to remember it. Now, just look at this. It's so cute. I love this size, and this fits in my bigger sort of handbags if I need just to have like a little catch-all. In here again is just bits of makeup, a little mirror, a comb, some lip balm, some paracetamol in case it's needed, some plasters, just anything and everything that I just might want to take with me in my bigger bags. So really love this one, and this does get a lot of use when I can fit it with me. So yeah, I would never get rid of this now. And again, canvas is exactly the same. It's got the same elastic bits on the back. It's got the same little pocket as well. I don't think there's any wear on this one. No, this is probably in better condition than the 23 actually. Yeah, absolutely perfect size. And the canvas, I can't get over the canvas. So thick and so durable, robust. I love it. So the last one that I wanted to get to finish the trio was the size 28. And I managed it for my birthday. I found it pre-loved, and yeah, here it is. So again, this is the biggest size. This one I use more for bigger things like toiletries, so deodorants, if I need to take shampoo and conditioner anywhere with me, my toothbrush, like all that all goes in here. Again, it's got the same elastic bits on the back and the big pocket on the other side as well. Now I have just cleaned this up. When I got it, the zip was a little bit tarnished. It was quite sort of dark, so I have just now cleaned that up with some Brasso, and it's come out really well. I'm really happy with that. I'll put a before picture if I can, or I'm going to do a little reel on what I did just to clean this up, or a short, so I'll link that below. Yeah, I just absolutely love this, and I love that I've now got the full set, which next to each other, they look like this. So they just go up in size. Really, really good. The middle one definitely needs a clean. That one is, you can see I've just cleaned this one, and this one needs a clean. The canvas is a bit sort of dull, so it needs a bit of a clean over. But yeah, all three of them together, and I do take all three of these with me if I'm going anywhere. Going anywhere for an overnight stay or traveling anywhere, I take all of these because I really love them so much, and I know they're just not going to wear, they're just not going to get bashed about, they're not going to get ripped. They're just really, really, really high quality, and really sad that they don't do these anymore, but in a way I'm not, because I'm glad that I've got the older vintage versions, because they're not that sort of readily available. They're quite rare now, so to have all three, I just feel really, really lucky, and I love every single size. I use every single size. They all have a different purpose, so yeah, I'm so happy with them. So that's it really, a little short video, but I wanted to show you all three of the sizes together. Like I say, I love them all and they all have their uses, but if you've got any questions about anything, leave me a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. So glad I have all three now in my collection. They will never ever leave me. They're just the best. So yeah, big vintage Louis Vuitton fan over here. Thank you for joining me today, and if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. It means the world. And thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.